terms, you need to have the same variable raised to the same exponent. And then constants are also alike. Constants are like your numbers. So here's an example below. No need to write this down. You'll notice your like terms are the red because it has a 3x squared and a 4x squared. They both have the same variable of x and the same power of 2. So let's write those down here. So 3x squared plus 4x squared. Then our next term is minus 9xy. Notice there isn't any other terms with that 9xy. And then our last piece is what we call our constant, the plus 2 and the minus 1. Plus 2 and minus 1. Now let's go ahead and simplify those like terms. How we simplify like terms is we combine if there's variables, the coefficients. So 3 and 4, 3 plus 4 is 7, and then bring the variable x squared along for the ride. Then we have minus 9xy. And then in the blue, those are constants, so plus 2 minus 1 is a positive 1. And that's how you can combine like terms. Here's a couple more examples of simplifying with like terms. Our first like term is the 3x squared and the 4x squared. So 3x squared plus 4x squared. Then we have plus 2x, no other like terms with the x, and then our last term is the minus 3y. Now we can go ahead and combine 3x squared plus 4x squared, which is 7x squared, plus 2x, and then minus 3y. This next example, we need to distribute the j through to both terms in that parentheses. That's called the distributive property. So we go 6jk squared plus 7jk. And then we still have these last two terms, plus 9jk squared and minus 7jk. After we've distributed that j through to the parentheses in the green, let's look for like terms. Well, I have like terms with this 6jk squared and this 9jk squared. So 6jk squared plus 9jk squared. Notice they have the same variable j and the same variable k squared. Then I have another pair of like terms, plus 7jk, and then minus 7jk. Now we combine the red like terms, we combine those coefficients. 6 plus 9 is 15, jk squared. And then what happens over here is I have a positive 7jk and a negative 7jk. They just cancel out to 0. So here is our final answer.